Welcome back to Taiga Tube. We're going to start to open a new toy. Tomica Panorama case. It's a panorama case. And there's a fire truck right here. Double decker bus. The garbage truck. We're going to start to open it up. And I'm so excited. It says Okatazuke right here, and Okatazuke means clean up. So we're going to start to open it. Whoa. This is it. Whoa, this is it. And here. Now it's a road. And next, and this is it. The circle trucks. No more than that. This is the stickers. Looks like there's something. This is the 45 garbage truck.
Toyota Dyna Refuse Truck.
Next, it's the fire.
MLIT lighting vehicle.
Next, it's the Yamaha tractor.
The Yanmar Tractor YT5113.
Next, it's the Matsuyoberu
Komatsu Excavator PC200 Tech 10.
Last, it's the 51
Toyota Crown Comfort Taxi.
So we're going to start to open our cool cars. Let's see it. I'm driving it over here. Right here. We're gonna stuck somewhere. Sure. Beep. Let's go up here. Do one at a time. Sorry. So one has to wait. Yes, right here for a tractor to go. Okay, 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 2,